Put on. She put on her coat. Take off. He took off his shoes. Get up. He got up from the chair. Lie down. I lie down on the bed. Turn on. Turn on the lights. Turn off. Turn off the lights. Go out. She is going out for dinner. Come in. Come in, the door is open. Look up. Look up at the sky. Look down. He looked down in shame. Fill up. Fill up the bottle. Empty out. He emptied out the basket. Give up. He gave up smoking. Carry on. Carry on with your work. Turn up. Please turn up the music. Turn down. Please turn down the music. Drop off. She drops off her kid at school. Pick up. She picks up her kids from school. Pick up. Please pick up the toy. Put down. Please put down your book on the table. Build up. He built up the wall. Tear down. They tore down the old house. Stand up. Stand up and let's go for a walk. Sit down. Sit down and rest for a moment. Wake up. I wake up every morning at 7 a.m. Fall asleep. After a long day, I fell asleep. Put in. Put the toys in the box. Take out. Take out the trash. Speed up. Speed up the fan, it's too hot. Slow down. Slow down, you are walking too fast. Write down. Please write down your name. Rub out. Rub out the mistake with an eraser. Light up. Please light up the candles. Put out. Put out the fire with a fire extinguisher. Call up. Call up your friend. Hang up. He hung up the phone. Break down. The car broke down on the highway. Fix up. Can you fix up this old car for me? Come back. He came back home. Go out. He went out for a walk. Hang up. Hang up your coat on the hook. Take down. Please take down the curtains. Get on. They are getting on the bus. Get off. I got off at the wrong bus stop. Heat up. Please heat up the soup. Cool down. The soup was too hot, so I let it cool down. Mix up. Mix up all the ingredients. Separate out. Separate out the dirty clothes.